Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the IceGiant Moissanite Bezel and accessories. Now you can pick these up from the IG.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. Let's get right into it. Now this is actually an updated video. If you watch my channel, I already did the IceGiant Moissanite Bezels for the Apple Watch Ultra and the Galaxy Watch 5. And these are some of my favorite products. I actually get so many compliments, and whenever somebody sees this, I get 3 questions. Number 1, is it real? Yes, VVS color moissanite stones that will certainly pass a diamond tester. Number 2, how much does it cost? $260. And number 3, where did I get it from? The IceGiant. And one of the things that I love about these, they're easy to take on and off. So if I'm going to the gym, I just pop this off and rock out. But if I'm going out to dinner and I want to get a little flashy, drop these on and I can still rock my smartwatch and some nice jewelry. Add a little shine. Now, I promised y'all if they made one for the Galaxy Watch 6, I was going to review it. We got a Galaxy Watch 6 Classic with the rotating bezel. They made one, so here we go. First, let's take it to the website. Like I said, this is from the IG.com. Okay, now if you want it for the Galaxy Watch, this one is going to be $260. Okay, again, they got them for the Apple Watches too. Now, this one comes in 47 millimeters or 45 millimeters. Okay, let's see. This is the frame material is silver. Okay, the material finish, white gold plating. The stone type, VVS Clarity D-Color Moissanite stones. Now, if you don't know anything about moissanites, these actually shine brighter than diamonds for 1/3 of the price. Okay, now they're not as cheap as cubic zirconias or lab diamonds, but they're still official tissue, and like I said, they will pass the diamond tester. All right, so let's unbox this and see what it is. Now, on a side note, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Now, this is from the IceGiant, okay? Y'all know I love some ice. Why not? Okay, let's get a little box struggles right here. Right. Okay, now we do have some other accessories that we're going to get into too. Okay, thank you for your purchase. Okay, appreciate that. Nice little presentation right here. Here we go. Now, we do have the stainless steel band. Okay, we'll check that out. This looks like a little microfiber cleaning cloth. Okay, here we go. Now, this is going to be for the Galaxy Watch 6. Okay, the regular Watch 6, if you notice, without the rotating bezel, you're going to get 2 rows of stones. Now, with the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, you're going to get 1 row of stones, okay, because you're still going to have access to your rotating bezel. And just for fun, I'm going to show you some sunglasses. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we want to do first. Matter of fact, let's do the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Okay, and like I said, simple installation. Let's go ahead and slap this on and figure this out. Now, to install this on your watch is real simple. You're going to grab the bezel. It comes with all of these little pins. Okay, you got some extra ones, just in case. And each pin has a little button on it. You're just going to press that button down, put the bezel on your watch, and install the pins. Now, I got to do this from behind the camera because I got to put my glasses on. Once you put the pins in, here's how it's going to look from the back. Super easy installation. If I could do it with my big fat fingers, you can definitely do it. And here's how your watch is going to look. Now look how classy this looks. I got the Rolex watch face. This is on the Play Store. And you still got access to your rotating bezel. Beautiful. Now let me drop it on the wrist. And one quick side note. Now for the Apple Watch Ultra, this one is even easier to install. All you got to do, let's go ahead and take my bands off. Okay, you slide your watch bands off. Hold up. Of course, now when I'm doing the video, I can't get my watch. Okay, there it is. This one just pops on and off. Okay, so when I'm going to the gym, I just take it off just like that. When I'm ready to go out, slap it back on. Now, if I wasn't making a video, I would have took that off in 2 seconds. I'm going to drop this on my wrist so you can see what it looks like. And here's how it looks on the wrist. Beautiful. Look at that shine. VVS Moissanite stones. Let's grab the diamond tester. Hold up. Look at that. There it is. Let's try one more. Okay, Apple Watch. Get one of those stones. Look at that. When you hear that, that means it's touching metal. You got to get it right on the stone. There it is. Moissanite stones. I wish I knew about Moissanite back in the days. Look at this. Hold up. Look at that. We'll do one more. Official tissue. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, late but still great, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, now we also got the same bezel. Now this one's going to be $300 for the Galaxy Watch 6. I actually don't have another Galaxy Watch 6 to put this one on, so that's why I got my Galaxy Watch 5, but it looks about the same. Let's see if we can get this one open. Okay, now with this one, I think it's a little bit easier installation. Yeah, this one looks like the same one I'm wearing on my Galaxy Watch. Oh no, same thing. Okay, this one has the pins. Now I wanted to show you with my Galaxy Watch, this one has a different mechanism. Okay, this one right here, you see, you just pop that open like that. Pop this one open, and it pops right out. Hold up, I forgot to turn the diamond tester off. All right, so if you got a Galaxy Watch 6, here's how it's gonna look. You're just gonna slap this on, and you're gonna get that 2 rows of stones. Okay, so this is actually the same one. Beautiful. Now let me go ahead and slap this one on the wrist. All right, so here's how they look on the wrist. This will be for the Galaxy Watch 5 and 6. Okay, 2 rows of stones, no rotating bezel. And for your 6 Classic, rotating bezel, 1 row of stones. Both of these are official tissue. Now I got a couple more things I want to show y'all. All right, so next up, we got a stainless steel band. Now this one is going to run you $40. Let's check this one out. Now it comes with those same little pins, so it should be easy installation. And a beautiful stainless steel band. Now I'm going to drop this on my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and let's see how it looks. All right, so here's how the stainless steel band looks. $40 on this one. Definitely adds a little bit more class to your Galaxy Watch. But I love this Moissanite bezel. Now I got one more product I want to show y'all. All right, so last up, I want to show y'all some Moissanite sunglasses. Now I gotta give y'all a warning, these ain't for everybody, okay? And there's an old saying, everything ain't for everybody. But if you like flashy sunglasses, you're gonna love these. Check these out. Okay, now we got a bunch of different styles. Now, if y'all watch my videos, okay, when I be doing my fine dining, I like Cartier sunglasses, but these, they have the same look, but for 1/3 of the price. Okay, now I rock Cartiers that look like this, but they got a bunch of different styles, but we got the Fleuries. Okay, now I don't know if I'm saying that right, but these come in a bunch of different colors. These are $269. Look at that. Like I said, everything ain't for everybody, but once in a while when you're going out and when you want to get your drip on, this is something right here you might want to check out. So let's go ahead and check these out. I love this kind of stuff. Here we go. All right, Shoes, can you calm down for a minute? Okay, inside, let's see. Comes with, okay, what is this? Look at extra screws, microfiber cleaning cloth. And let's go ahead and check these out. Now it comes with a hard shell carrying case. Okay. All right, hold up. Here we go. Let's see what we got here. All right. Fleury. I probably said that wrong. If y'all know how to pronounce it correctly, leave it in the comments. Y'all know. Okay, check these out. Now these actually got the diamond crosses. Now this ain't really my style per se with the crosses, but I just wanted to show y'all that y'all do have some options. $350. Hold up. Let's pull out the diamond tester real quick. Let's go ahead and set this up. All right, Shoes. I ain't trying to test you. All right, let's wait for this to warm up. Okay, we just got to make sure. Yeah, these stones look a little bit big. Look how big and juicy. Okay. I love it. Hold up. All right, so this got to warm up. In the meantime, here's how they look. Kind of look like some buffs from the side. We're going to call these the Ricky Rose specials. Again, these ain't the glasses that you wear to the supermarket or when you're going to the gym. This is when you go on your fine dining experience. You got all your drip on. Okay, here we go. Let's get and check these. There it is. There it is. Ah. There it is. Now, I just came back from the gym, so okay, now these stones on the front. Ah, shoes. Come on, shoes. Ah. Ah! Bro, come on, shoes, don't piss me off. Let me try that again. Yeah. There it is. Okay, I got the... There it is. Okay, but you can see for yourself. Official tissue. And like I said, for 1/3 of the price. Now, let me show y'all my Cardis that I usually rock when I go on my little fine dining excursions. Let me turn this off. See, I rock stuff like these, okay? These are the ones that I rock. Now, you don't even want to know how much I paid for these. Look at the size of those stones. Again, you're not going to see me wearing these at the grocery store. Okay, you're not going to see me wearing these, you know, driving to Home Depot. This is the kind of stuff that I wear when I'm getting flashy, got all my stones on. But the difference is I'm talking about thousands of dollars savings with the Moissanite. Like I said, if I would have known about Moissanite maybe 5 years ago, I'd probably have so much extra money in my pocket because I wouldn't be buying real diamonds, okay? Lab diamonds is the way to go right now. If you got money, lab diamonds is the way to go. But if you want that same look, Moissanite is the way to go. This shines more than diamonds, okay? If you get a Moissanite bracelet and a real diamond bracelet and you put them right in the light, the Moissanite bracelet is going to dance more, okay? For 1/3 of the price. And again, if somebody run up on you with one of these, you ain't got to fall back, okay? All right, now, I might actually rock these. You never know. You never know. You never know. These look sick, though. They look sick. But like I said, I know somebody's typing right now, oh, those are so tacky. Again, everything ain't for everybody. Matter of fact, let me try these on. Now, I'm not going to post any pictures wearing these because, you know what I'm saying? Hold on a second. Oh, they actually fit nice. Okay, hold up. Now, I just tried these on from behind the camera. And I might have to rock these. They do look sick on me. Okay, they look sick. Again, this is not for everyday wear. It's just for that extra pizzazz, all right? When you're sitting under the lights in that restaurant, you will be sparkling. I know. Okay? But again, the difference in the price, thousands, literally thousands of dollars. Anyway, let's kind of wrap this video up. All right, so one quick side note. Now, of course, as soon as I finished shooting the video, I found my Galaxy Watch 6. So here's how it's going to look. Here's the Galaxy Watch 5, Galaxy Watch 6, with the IceGiant Moissanite bezel. Look at that sparkle. Look at that shine. Beautiful. And just for reference, here's the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. I personally like the leather band as opposed to the stainless steel. And here's the Apple Watch Ultra. Beautiful. Now we can wrap this up. All right, so don't forget to check out the IceGiant if you want a stainless steel band for your Galaxy Watches, if you want a Moissanite bezel for your Apple Watches or your Galaxy Watches, or you want some dope Moissanite sunglasses. Remember, all VVS clarity. These are official tissue Moissanite stones. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. # salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.